Are you considering installing a rooftop solar system for your house but wondering how long it will take? Well, with FreeVolt, it just takes a few days. The first step is to download our app and register your property on it. Once that is done, the second step is site assessment, for which a technical surveyor will come to your place and assess the site. The third is the actual installation, for which the solar panels, the inverter and the earthing system will be installed at your home. The fourth is net meter by your discom, for which you will have to apply with your discom. And once the net meter is in place, the final step is the inspection and commissioning of the system. Now all this is a quick and easy process and should take about 2 weeks. But the benefits of solar system last for as long as 25 years. And after the installation, we also help you to maintain and manage your system. So come download our app and join the Freevolution. Go solar today.